my crafting friends, and welcome back to Sweet Bay Lane. Or if you're new, welcome, I'm Tracy. And I've had numerous requests on how I tie my simple shoestring bow. So I thought I'd make this quick tutorial. I hope you enjoy. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments section below. To start our bow, we need to make 2 even loops. And how I achieve this is I take it up around my index finger, then I bring it down around my ring finger, and then up around my middle finger, making 2 perfect even loops. Once I have that done, then I cross my right loop over my left loop, and then bring the loop behind the front loop. I will bring that and thread it through the hole. Once I have that done, then you're going to see on your left-hand side you have a tag, a ribbon tag. So you'll just bring that up and around to the front side of that loop, bringing it down, making sure it's even. Then you'll just proceed to tighten and loosen your bow until you have the perfect bow.